Denitrification is the breakdown of nitrates by bacteria, whereby the nitrates are converted to nitrogen gas. Nitrification is the biological oxidation of ammonia with oxygen into nitrite, followed with the oxidation of these nitrites into nitrates. Sources of oxides of nitrogen. The natural ones are lightning and air. Lightning, which is formed from the reaction of nitrogen and oxygen, and in very high temperatures of about 30,000 degrees. It's formed in flashes during thunderstorms. Another source of oxides of nitrogen is bushfires or forest fires. It has the same concept as lightning and air. Human sources of oxides of nitrogen are emission of exhaust fumes from vehicles. By burning gasoline or diesel into a car engine will produce a combustion temperature of about 2000 degrees Celsius, enough to oxidize nitrogen in the fuel-air mixture. The oxidized nitrogen is then emitted out of the vehicle as exhaust fumes. Another human way is agriculture soil management. It is produced naturally in soils through the microbial processes of denitrification and nitrification. Combustion of fossil fuel. Nitrous oxide is the product of the reaction that occurs between nitrogen and oxygen during fossil fuel combustions. Adipic acid production is the byproduct during the production of adipic acid, which is used in the production of nylon as a flavor enhancer for some foods. And nitric acid production. Effects of oxides of nitrogen. It forms acid rain, which has high levels of oxides of nitrogen. High levels of oxides of nitrogen can produce acid rain. Formation of acid rain is nitrogen oxide form easily nitric acid. With the rain that is washed out from the air and comes down together with sulfuric acid as acid rain. The effects, it affects groundwater and soil and damages our environment and everything, and it increases the problems of corrosion of iron and steel. The effects of oxides of nitrogen also contributes to global warming, as no molecules found in exhaust fumes released by cars. And it also hampers the growth of plants. High level of oxides of nitrogen in the air, water, or soil. The effects: the roots and leaves of agricultural crops can be damaged, plant may not survive, and results the farmers having a poorer harvest, and problem for the life in lakes and coastal regions of the oceans, and it results in over-fertilization. Health problems. Nitrogen oxides can form with other pollutants to form toxic chemicals, and can form particles in the air, for example together with ammonia.